Hello everybody, today we'll talk about ASUS Wi-Fi driver issues and how we can overcome. Maybe I will tell two alternatives and one fix that might work, which I will be covering in the last. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. So if you watched my previous video on how to resolve or fix Wi-Fi issue on ASUS TUF gaming laptops, you might be knowing that ASUS laptop is all of a sudden disconnecting from the internet. So I have few methods covered in that video. You can check out in the link above. You can try that methods and come back to this video. In this video I will be telling two alternatives, as I said, and one fix which might help for the people who is not able to resolve the issue after watching the previous video. So the first one is use a LAN. So I observed that previously when I use LAN I faced the issue, but uninstall your Wi-Fi driver, and if you have a LAN nearby you, you can use that LAN connectivity and it is working fine. And number two is use your USB tethering from your mobile. So right, you can connect to Wi-Fi and use that Wi-Fi through your mobile. This is very reliable connection. I used and I even played games with the USB tethering and as well as this LAN, and it's working fine. The last one is I observe whenever I turn on the Bluetooth and use we are facing some issue. So all you have to do is give a right click on the Windows button, go to Device Manager, and make sure remove all the Bluetooth adapters here, or just simply click on it and completely uninstall the device. Make sure you check this and click on uninstall the driver. So post restart, you see that the devices that are paid will no longer appear here. So before uninstalling, you will be able to see all your devices adapters here. So post uninstall and restart, you won't be able to see all those things, and that's a good news. Avoid using a Bluetooth, and again, this might work for few people and may not be work for other people. So try out all the possibilities and see which one is working fine. And if you're following me on the Twitter, also known as X, you might be knowing that I have already raised this issue with the ASUS. Make sure you retweet or like that, so that ASUS community will take fast way of resolving things. ASUS team has already reached me asking what are the issues, and I explained this, and I think they might come back with some update or something. So mostly this is a BIOS issue because I even tried using Wi-Fi dongle, but it is still failing. So it is issue with the Windows. So don't try to upgrade or remove and buy a new Wi-Fi card or something for your laptop. So that's it, guys. If you feel this video is informative, like, share, and subscribe, and do subscribe for more such informative videos. Thanks for watching.